Hey everybody, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to verify suppliers on Alibaba. To verify your supplier on Alibaba, you should look for specific credentials like verified supplier and trade assurance status throughout or thoroughly investigate their company's profile and history and engage in a direct communication and checks as well. Now, relying on these multiple layers of verification helps ensure you're working with a legitimate business and not a scammer as well. So basically, you need to open the application first of all. So this is one of the most reliable badge on Alibaba, that is the verified badge. To qualify, a supplier must undergo one site inspection by an independent third party such as SGS or TUV, and you can download the inspection report and review the videos and the factories and showroom directly from the profile as well. Next, this is a free service that treats your partner if a supplier fails to ship your order on time. So you can meet the product's quality standard agreed upon in your contract as well. Now, while in a gold supplier membership, you could show a company has paid a premium features. It does not guarantee legitimate on its own, and its best use. This is an initial filter and then apply further steps as well. So basically, you want to do is look for the verified badge, and that is how you should be able to get a verified supplier, or that's how you could verify a supplier. So you could also go ahead and check the history as well. And that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.